glitters. Ayan.
In today's video, I'm going to do this look with a mini review of this Crayons BB Cream. I'll also show you how two shadows look from the Sansan FUN eyeshadow palette. Just a heads up, I was in a silly mood when I was filming this, so if I'm annoying in this video, just bear with me. For today's skincare, I'm trying this Jeju Aloe Soothing Gel. It came in a big jar like this, so for hygienic reasons, I transferred some product in a smaller bottle. By the way, I have a recycling video coming soon where I showed you how to make less garbage by recycling some beauty product containers. Alright, back to the BB cream. It comes in a bigger tube, but I have to shake it to move the product close to the opening. I think the actual product is just half of this tube. It has a good coverage though, but you have to work fast enough to blend it thoroughly, otherwise it will be uneven. I tried shading it out by adding a bit of moisturizer to the product and applied it to uneven spots. With this blending problem, usually it's because it's too thick, but this one is not really thick compared to most of my BB creams. It might not translate on camera, but I can see it's a little muddy or grayish on me. More on this thought at the end of this video. See how it sits on the skin? The left side is the one with moisturizer, and that is how I usually apply my base, so I was hoping it will blend nicely, but it actually did not do anything. This is an arm swatch, I know, but it applies the same way on my face. There's not a lot of option too with this product because they only have a dark and a light color. Mixing these two shades together I think does not work for my undertone because this product is on the yellow side. You know the drill, right? Brows and eyeshadow for a wash of color. Now it's time for Sansan FUN eyeshadow palette. I love the shade so much. I also like the dark shadow, although sometimes it's patchy, but you know what? When you blend it, it's beautiful. I actually like it more than the dark shadow from the chocolate bar palette actually. And it works well with my Echo Tool highlighting brush. Now time for this shimmery orangey brown color I was excited about. It's so creamy when you touch it and it looks so pretty on the lid. The longer it's on, the prettier it gets, you know? So that's why I love it so much. I also tried a light pink color for brow bone highlight and it instantly made a difference. I also tried bringing the dark color down and see how it looks. Sometimes if I see the color went past down, I clean it with a sponge. I want to maintain that lifted look, you know. I also mixed the transition shade just on the edge of the dark color. I don't know if it shows, but yeah, I did that as well. At this point, I was looking for more shine, so I decided to layer on this peach blush. It is the same color scheme with the one from Sansan FUN palette, so it was so easy to put on top. Since I'm going to wear a cat ear headband later, a wing eyeliner I think is a good match. I'm also planning to make a tutorial video on how to apply eyeliner for rounded eyes, so if you're interested on that, please give this video a thumbs up. For falsies, I picked the style with the flare on the outer part, but I think it matches with the flower print hairband and the cat ears, so I changed my mind. What comes to my mind when it comes to this falsies is Gloria Diaz when she won Miss Universe. In her time, that flared lashes is associated with flower print top. I don't know. So I opt for the style called bling, and I think it matches with the look I'm going for today. This is what I missed with the first falsies. I need to curl and apply mascara to my lashes so that my falsies have something to hold on to. Then apply eyeliner just above where the band is so it will look like they're one. This is almost done, I promise. I am wanting more shine, so I topped the lids again with Super Shock eyeshadow. This color in particular does not look good on its own, so now is the perfect time to put it on top. This is what my son thinks about my makeup.
Gothic. More gothic na. What I forgot to do is to put highlight. I know it's everybody's game now, but we can't deny it. It's really beautiful. To the other side.
So for lip color, I chose this J-Cat lip paint in Red Potion. This also appeared in my channel before. I applied it downwards, creating an illusion of having lines. So this is today's look. I was just playing with my new finds. I did not plan this look. I just kind of go with what I feel. If you want more of this video, please hit like, subscribe, and notification icon for my future uploads. I also have another video where I play with my lipstick, so if you want to watch that, I will link it here and down in the description box. Please stay at the end of this video for my final thoughts on the BB cream. I know there are a lot of reviews already, but in case we have the same undertone, this video might be helpful to you.
When I started applying this BB cream, ang ganda-ganda niya kanina. Super bright yung aking skin. But now, it looks grayish, which tells me that it doesn't suit my undertone. Hindi ko masyadong gusto yung result. Siguro for a few hours, it's okay. Pero, I wouldn't wear this one kung matagal akong nasa labas. Kasi talagang nangitim siya. At kahit mamahalin na foundation, ito talaga ang tendency pag hindi match sa akin ang undertone. Kahit undertone man lang, importante kasi undertone yung nagmamatch. Yeah, it's not bad for the price. Tsaka kung sandali mo lang siyang gamitin, okay lang. Kung magsha-shopping ka or maggala-gala, mag-night out or ganun, no. Hindi siya para sa ganung pang matagalan. Hindi ako masyadong nag-oil up kasi tinurn on namin yung aming AC. Pero kung gagamitin mo to at alam mo na papawisan ka, no, I wouldn't recommend this. Tsaka matatanggal to pag bilad ka sa araw. Kinuha ko yung Fair Lady. Meron siyang dark color. Siguro kung i-mix mo yung dalawa, in between colors yon. But for me, mas gusto ko kasi yung bright, yung aking foundation, tsaka base. Ayoko yung itim kasi pag nag-oxidize, mas lalong maging worse. Kaya, ito nga, puting-puti to kanina. Ayan, sobrang puti. But, ganito pa rin ang naging itsura after. I think that's it. Ato ko sa baba, nak.